All right, well, the cheat code for camping. Damn. Let's go. It might just be the paper. All right. It's talking about resourcefulness and how it applies to this video. The reason I thought about the topic is because I was thinking about how can I give back to YouTube? And I felt like I had to start with what brought me here. And that's kind of just finding value in other people's knowledge and taking that and repurposing it and using that to advance my life and my interests and monetary. Like, I feel like as people, we want to get into hobbies, but we also need to make money. We need to sustain ourselves, and it's not just you can just learn a skill and that be it. You got to figure out how to make money behind it as well, and how to repurpose it and get value in return, whether that value is fulfillment or money. And I just see it as both. Like, you gain knowledge, you use that knowledge, and you sell it, and you take the value you can from the knowledge you learn, and it can all just be fun. Like, I've learned photography, I've learned guitar, I've learned so many different things, woodworking, from YouTube. And it's brought me so much value that I want to give that value back. Be as, resourceful as you can. Use all the tools that are available to you. Use the people that love you and that are available to you and have certain skills and things that they can offer you. And by I say use, I don't mean abuse. I mean use, like, I don't have a better word for that, but just use it for the value that you get. So that's my spiel. That's the whole point of this video. I'm going to share some fishing content along the way and maybe talk a little bit more about other things, but I kind of wanted to just share that, we got to be resourceful. We got to use what we have, what's given to us, love the people that are around us, and we love them back, and that's all we can ask for. That's all we can do in this life is, give back and love. So that was really deep, but I like it. That fire looks cool. Sick. And it's a great. That should be good.